How to hide your Snapchat story from anyone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can hide your Snapchat from any of your friends or anyone. Now, open your Snapchat. Create a snap that you want to add to your story. You can simply create a new snap, click on next. On here, you can find a plus new story option on the top side of your screen. Tap on it. And here you will get an option to new private story which will only be visible to specific friends, or you can create a new search story where friends can view, post and add new members who can view your story. Now tap on only visible to specific friends, and here you can choose the friends that you want to show your story or you want to share only. The rest of your friends or anyone else will not be able to see your story at all. This way you can create a private story or hide your story from anybody else except whom you want. Hope you liked the video, like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.